Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. If you like to save money by doing things yourself, you're going to want to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss anything. So a few weeks ago, I did a video about my new impact screwdriver that I bought from Harbor Freight. After I posted the video, I got some comments saying that I needed to grease it. So I thought maybe that would make a good video for this week. So to grease it, you need to get inside. So we're going to remove that. First, we're going to remove this little retainer clip. You can see there's a little split in it there, and we're just going to pry up one edge. And remove that clip. Then this collar is going to slide off. Okay. And then there's a bearing here and a bearing here, and we need to remove these caps, and the bearing is underneath. But let's see. There. That one fell out. There it is. So we need to take the pressure off of it. There we go. Now the ball comes out. Okay, let's see if I can use a magnet to pull it out. Yeah, that worked. Okay, and then this piece just falls right out. And there's a spring, and that does have some grease on it also. I can see it's nice and shiny. Yeah, so there's a little bit of grease in there, so we'll put a little more. Okay, so I've just got a little grease, and we're gonna pack that in there real good. So now we're gonna put the spring back in and the shaft back in, and we're gonna try and there. That side's back in, and then we're gonna do the other side. And that went in pretty easy. Okay. And now we just slide this cover back on. Okay. And return the retaining spring here to where it was. And now that's all clipped on and back together. So that is how you grease your Pittsburgh brand Harbor Freight impact screwdriver. So if you got something out of this, please be sure to give it a like. Thanks for watching. Take care.